Because I thought the grocery is coming yesterday and didn't come, so I just warmed up frozen pot pie. And mushrooms. Bon appetit.
Do you want like a spoon to eat that or something?
Maybe. I tried to eat with chopsticks. Oh. No, go ahead.
What?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh.
It's pretty creamy. Hi!
Don't make any disgusting sounds, please.
Whoa, delicious.
No!
I think I might need a spoon for this.
Hey. What are you doing?
Where is it? Oh! Your foot! Your foot!
Go.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe.
Cleaner.
The entire pie.
Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you.
It's pretty delicious.
Ah, amazing. Since everybody making, I'm gonna make Korean coffee.
Oh my gosh!
Everything one part of instant coffee. I'm gonna use Tim Horton coffee and sugar and water. A lot of people using hand mixer, but I don't have it, and I'm gonna use my muscle. In worst case, I'm gonna ask Suji to mix it. There you go. Ooh, strong. I already had a coffee today, so hopefully it's okay. Tim Horton Premium Instant Coffee. I'm gonna use 2 spoonfuls because Joe may have it. And sugar. Here you go. And then water. I wasn't sure hot water or cold water, so I just boil it just in case. I thought easier to melt. Here you go. Then I'm gonna mix everything. Thank you very much. Ta-da! Pretty good looking. Oats milk. I only have very tiny glass, so. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. いかがですか？どうでしょうか？ Actually looking pretty good. Buon appetito. It's very awkward too. Oh, strong. I need more milk. For my hard-working husband.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
This is Korean coffee.
Korean coffee?
You have to mix it because...
Can I try the top first?
Strong, eh?
If I finish this, I'm going to be up all week. I'm not going to be able to sleep.
You have to mix it.
Is he just milk in the bottle? It looks like a kid shake, which I would appreciate. I like a good kid shake. But I guess we'll see tonight.